What's a typical day like as a sales executive here at Mayfair Worktops?
So every day starts off with a morning meeting, so we'll get everyone's plans and tasks for the day, get motivated. Then it moves on to contacting warm leads that have been on the website, whether it be overnight or the night before, going through their plans. Most of the day is talking to customers, arranging samples, going through plans, dimensions, and then getting booked for templating.
How often do you cold call?
Never.
We never cold call.
We don't have to do any cold calling.
So we don't cold call here at Mayfair Worktops. All of our leads are warm. They either come through social media or they'll make an inquiry, leave some details on the website. So that helps us in just having a nice friendly conversation.
What are some of your favourite perks of the job?
Yeah, well, we have some really good incentives, team incentives, and obviously our own bonus and things like that. But yeah, some of the activities we get to are amazing, like go to Michelin-star restaurants, clear pigeon shooting, all kind of exciting days out.
Like we go on spa days, we've been go-karting together.
Definitely got to be the free tea and coffee. I think that's a huge perk.
It's got to be the free coffee machine, to be honest with you. A man that needs his caffeine. I think some of the incentives are the trips away. So the guys went to Dubai last year and we've got Vegas planned for next year as well.
Great atmosphere to work at as well. The lads in the office, great, good banter, good support when you need it. Croissants on a Friday and Saturday, always a good touch.
How long have you worked here?
I've been here just over 4 years now.
Almost 13 years now.
Just over a year now. It's absolutely flown by.
It's been that long I've forgotten now. 7 years?
When you first joined, what was the support like?
Amazing, to be honest. You never sort of left on your own. You go through training calls, listen to good and bad calls that have happened before, a lot of feedback, and then you sit and shadow each member of the sales team to pick up their sort of traits before you set loose on the phone.
What is one thing you would say to someone thinking of applying?
Your hard work gets rewarded, really, so go for
And
it.
it is a great team atmosphere, a lot of support, people help each other out on a daily basis.
Definitely go for it. I think one of the perks of working in sales here is being part of people's journeys. These customers are only doing these projects, renovations, once in a lifetime, and you do a good job, you're going to be remembered as part of their special little journey, and it's a nice little feeling to come away with at the end of the day.